sort of like as a global function. So there is no need for you to sort of like import this thing. So the length of this variable as a string, so this is going to output how many each single character is making up this string name. So we're going to have 4. Okay, so there is 1, 2, 3, as well as 4. Okay, so you find that I can use this length as a function, or actually ln as a function, which is going to take many different kind of things to perform obviously the same thing. So I can also say, I can also look at maybe my dictionary. Okay, so let's just define that. Okay, so my dictionary, that's the syntax with curly braces, and I'm going to say maybe define some keys. So we have the title as a key. This is going to be Mr., comma, and then maybe so occupation. This is going to be the scientist. Yeah, maybe can have the name. Okay, comma. Okay, so what else? So can have the company. Can say, so maybe that is something like dummy data, and this is not real data. So we can have this, but we can actually use the very function that we talked about previously, and this is the len, which is the length function. So that counts how many keys are in this dictionary. So we have 1, 2, okay, as well as 3 and 4. So the compound that makes it 4. And now what you're going to do is going to actually now print this. Okay, so always I'm using the ln as a function. So this is a single thing taking many different forms. Okay, performing different same thing on different aspect of whatever that we are actually doing. Okay, and then I can even say so this maybe items. Okay, so how do I write syntax? Okay, what's happened? Oh, there is no comma. Write the syntax. Okay, there's supposed to be a comma there. Okay, so run that. So you can see that this, so after running the program, this now says this has 4 items. Okay, this has got 4 items. So basically that's about function polymorphism, and we can also look at other data types in Python, because this function can perform on different data types. Okay, so what about tuple? Okay, so a tuple on the list, there is just the same thing, except that tuple, the data inside that tuple is